Hello, my name is Paul. I'm healer, and today our presentation about healing power of a magnet, healing power of your hand, and healing power of our planet Earth. There is a magnet in my hand, and there is a piece of wood, a pendulum, and obviously magnet and a piece of wood, they not interact. See, I'm putting them together, there is nothing happens. What I do, I put in, we mark north-south and east-west, and I put magnet north side up, and I will put pendulum, wooden pendulum over it. And what next I do, I will clear my mind through my thoughts. As you can see, wooden pendulum start moving in magnetic field of a magnet north-south. So obviously magnetic healing energy is connected to our planet healing energy. What I do, I change magnet, I turn it on the south side up, and I will put pendulum in it, and again I clear my mind. You can see pendulum piece of wood start moving in magnetic field of magnet in the Earth directly west-east. So there is a connection with the healing power of magnet and healing power of the Earth. And we have to see if healing power of magnet in the Earth is the same as the healing power of human hand. On the human hand, on the palm, on the middle of a palm, we have healing chakra, what healers use for healing. Daniel, please come give me your hand. I move magnet on the side. So we're using his palm. If chakra is open, it will rotate clockwise. Healer chakra will rotate clockwise. So I just clear my mind. See pendulum start moving, it's getting strange. So pendulum, wooden pendulum will react in the same way, thank you Daniel, in the same way to magnetic healing power and our planet healing power and our hand healing power. We all have to learn how to use our healing power, what we have, what help us to be healthy, happy, and live joyful life. I wish you the best life and the best health. Good luck with your life.